So I'm going to show you how to hang some pictures, large pictures or pictures that have two hooks without a wire where you need to put the hooks exactly in the right place on the wall. Sometimes when you're working with large pictures or you're doing a large layout, it's a good idea to do a templates of all the frames, and then tape them on the wall. They're much easier to move around. Next we're going to hang this large mirror, and this has two hangers on it, and this is designed to be hung just by the hangers, not by a wire. As you notice on the hanger here, it goes straight up. If you put a wire on this, this will stress this, and it could possibly break the frame, and then it comes crashing down to the floor. So we're going to put two hooks using a hook like this. This is a 100-pound hook. It's going to hook right onto the thing like that. So basically the numbers that we need to do is we need to measure from the top down. In this case, it is from the top to where the hook is going to be 4 3/4. And then we need to see the distance between here and here. So this distance here is 37 inches. So to see it visually, we're going down from the top of the frame 4 3/4, and then we're going to place them 37 inches apart. And that means also that on the outside edge here, we're coming in about 3 3/8 from the side. So we're going to come in from here 3 3/8 inches. So let's take a look at, let's move our frame out of the way. So now we want to come down. I'm just going to put a little mark on the wall here because we do not need this template anymore. So we're going to put a little mark here for where this corner is, and a little mark here. And then we'll put this down. So we want to come down 4 3/4 inches. And then we want to come in 3 3/8 from that mark. And then we're going to go across 37 inches. We're going to use a level to do that. So we have our first mark here. And we want to go over 37 inches, so I'm going to just put that right there, right there. And I'm going to get a level. See, there's a little level here. This is just a little plastic level that I got from Home Depot. Works great. I'm going to put my little mark here. So we have our two spaces. Now I'm going to put the hooks in the wall. And these 100-pound hooks, they do not, this framed mirror that we're hanging is about 60 pounds each, 60 pounds, so they're designed for 100 pounds each. So these should be ample, and we don't need to go into studs. And I put the hook, I put it where this is going to be. That's where we want the hook to be. So we don't put the nail at that cross, we put where the bottom of the hook is. And we hammer that in. And same thing on this side here. It's important to hang, if you can, to have that bent down on each side, and then we're going to go ahead and hang it up on the wall. Okay, we just hung it up, and this hangs nice and flat to the wall, and there we are. Now, it's quite level. Sometimes it may be just a small amount, and if it is, you can give it a little bit of pressure, and a lot of times you can move it down 1/8 of an inch.